In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about the power of creating content online and how KSI and Logan Paul managed to do this and generate a lot of money. So we're going to be analyzing how they started and how they managed to monetize their audience. So if you stay with me until the end, I'm also going to share a strategy that you can also use in order for you to make money with your website. Okay, so yesterday, in fact, you know what? I can't even believe I actually watched the fight between KSI and Logan Paul. First of all, they're not professional boxers. Yes, I would watch occasional boxing here and there, but I didn't think that I would end up watching that fight. But you know what? They did the hype very well. They did a lot of promotions, and it was actually a very, very good event. But we're not here to talk about boxing. We want to talk about how they used their audience in order to make a lot of money. So first of all, if you take a look at KSI, now this is what my son told me because obviously I don't follow these content creators. They offer a younger age, but of course, you know, they attract quite a lot of people in their audiences. So anyway, my son was telling me that he started creating content by playing games, FIFA online. So I was like, okay, wow. So he managed to generate, subscribers, the hundreds and thousands of subscribers. In fact, I think he's over 1 million now subscribers, and he managed to generate those subscribers by creating content. Okay. Now, if we also take a look at Logan Paul, same thing. He created his audience by vlogging. Now, if we take a look at these two content creators, they actually managed to create audiences by creating entertaining videos. So people obviously love to watch these videos and they want to be entertained. And that is one of the reasons why I ended up watching this fight yesterday. It was more of the entertainment part of it and also to see who actually won the fight, because of course I knew these were not professional boxers, but just that curiosity of who's going to win the fight and also how they managed to do it. Okay, now if we break down the strategy now, we see that it all starts with content creation. So they chose their platform, which was YouTube, and that is where they have majority of their subscribers. Now, what I found fascinating was the fact that there was close to 1 million people that paid $10 to watch this fight. Now, that's close to 10 million. So obviously, these two fighters have made quite a lot of money. Before the main fight, KSI's younger brother and Logan Paul's younger brother actually fought as well, just before the main fight. So what I found quite interesting was at the end of the fight, Logan Paul's younger brother announced his clothing line. And this is the power of using your audience or using a platform to promote your products, to promote, whatever business that you do. So as you can see, the power of having an audience is amazing, and you can actually create so many products. You can promote other products. You can promote your own products. So this is the reason why it is important for you and me to create audiences online. So whether we like it or not, this is the future of promoting any business or promoting products. So how can you apply a similar strategy and make money online as well? So I've got 5 things I need to share with you. And the first thing is going to be finding a niche. So whatever niche you are in, so maybe it could be baking or it could be cycling, it could be bodybuilding, whatever it is, you need to make sure you have a niche. So if you have a business, you want to have some videos that are related to what your business does. So this pretty much opens up the doors for people to have an idea of what your business does, who's behind the business, and so on. Now, if you create entertaining content, what you'll find is people will continue watching your videos, they will subscribe to you, and by doing that, they'll become super fans. So this is what you want to do. So whatever business you're in, start creating interesting videos, create stories with your videos, and then once you've done that, this is how you're on the journey to grow your audience. Now, let's move on to the next stage. So the next stage now is to grow your audience on social media, okay? So what you want to do is you can use 2 strategies. You can either use paid advertising, or you can do it manually and just post in these groups, join a lot of groups and post your content on there. But again, you have to be careful with this one because you don't want to be spamming people. You want to be someone who's helpful in those groups in order for them to see your videos as something that is very, very helpful. So be engaged. Be engaging in these groups, be engaging in these forums, and also create some videos that help people in those groups. So this will definitely, help you when you start creating your content and promoting them on these platforms. Right. So I spoke about the manual way of doing it. So the paid way, again, here you have to be a bit careful because you don't want to be just promoting your content and just getting views and that's it. If you are going to be going through the paid option, what you want to do is to have your own website, which I'll talk to in the next step, and also collect email so that you can market to these people at a later stage. Okay, right. So the fourth stage now is to create your own website. So this is very, very crucial because if you have content on these social media platforms, anything can happen. You can get banned. These social media platforms can change algorithms and this could affect your business. So what you want to do is to have your own website. So this is your home. This is something that belongs to you. You have your own domain name. You can build your list. And if you're doing SEO, you get the benefit of all that SEO being built over the years on your own website. So if you use a platform out there, like let's say Facebook, and you just put all your content on Facebook. Now, what happens if something happens to Facebook or they change their algorithms? So basically, your success is based on the success of Facebook or any social media platform out there. But if you have a website, then you're pretty much all set. Now, I have a course that I'm giving away for free. This is called WordPress Mastery, and this is the platform that I recommend that you use when it comes to building your own website. Because first of all, it's free. All you need is to pay for your hosting, and then after that, you can just start investing in plugins and anything that you need at a later stage. But you can do this, gradually, step by step, as your website is making you money or as your business is making you more money. So now, once you've done that, you're building your mailing list, you're bringing people onto your website just to see where your home is, and hopefully they'll be signing up onto your mailing list as well. Now, once this stage is passed, this is where now you can start monetizing. So on your website, you can start promoting other products within your niche, and this is now called affiliate marketing. Okay, so you get a percentage of the sales of that product that you promote. Now, if you take a look at this strategy that I'm talking about, it starts off with creating content, creating an audience, which is what KSI and Jake Paul did. Okay, KSI and Logan Paul, sorry. Oh, and Jake Paul as well, because they all have millions of subscribers. So you first start off by creating an audience, and this is by creating videos or entertaining content. This could also be a podcast, by the way. So once you have an audience, these audiences will turn into super fans because now they're going to be subscribers. They'll be looking forward to your content that you're creating every single time. Now, what you then do is you grow this audience as well by using social media, and then once you've done that, you create your own website, and then your website is where they can come and buy your products from your own website. They can go for they can sign up for some courses. There's a lot that you can do, but the most important part is building that audience, because when KSI and Logan Paul started off, I don't think that they had this idea of going into a boxing match which will make them millions. So as you can see, these guys have made even more money than some professional boxers. And this is crazy because some professional boxers will not even earn that kind of money in their careers, because most of the boxers that make a lot of money are, like the top 10 boxers or maybe the top 20 boxers. The rest, it's very, very difficult. And if you also take a look at what is happening online in terms of promotions. Now, these guys did not need any boxing promoters. They did it by themselves because they had an audience. So as you can see where all this is going. Having an audience is very, very important. So this is what I really recommend if you're in any business, you want to promote your services. Having an audience is very, very important. And getting started is easy as well. All you need is a basic camera. You can use your smartphone or you can use a webcam on your laptop, and then start posting these videos onto YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, Periscope, and all these social media platforms. Another way of creating content online is by creating live videos. So all these platforms as well allow you to create live video. So that's all I have for you. I thought I'll just talk about this because this is something that I found very fascinating, and I think these guys did a fantastic job. So that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to go to marketingwithmac.com and sign up for your free WordPress course. See you in the next video.